Hey friends, today in Writing Workshop, you are going to think of a way to describe your break, and then you're going to give 3 reasons why. Then you will be thinking about ways to elaborate on your reasons. So an example of this is my break was, because. So I'm going to think of a way to describe my break, and I'm going to say that my break was great because, and I'm going to think of 3 reasons why. So my first reason is that I got to sleep in. My second reason is that I got to spend time with my family. And then finally, my third reason was that I got to read books. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about how I can elaborate on these reasons. And even looking back at this, I am noticing that this looks a lot like a box and bullets. So this is how we're going to organize our thoughts. We've got our main idea, we've got our supporting reasons, and now I'm going to go back and elaborate. So I'm going to ask myself, what more can I say about sleeping in? So when I got to sleep in, I was more rested, and I also got to stay up late, which was really cool. If I'm thinking about how I can elaborate on spending time with family, I could tell my reader that I got to see my 2 sons more, and I also got to Zoom with my other family members that I was not able to see over the holidays. And then if I'm thinking about how I can elaborate on my third reason, well, I can say that I was able to I crossed off books on my checklist. And I also got to read the book Save Me a Seat, which I really enjoyed. So now, I'm looking back at my organization and I have thought about a way to describe my break, and that's my main idea. And then I've got 3 reasons to support my main idea. My break was great because I got to sleep in, spend time with family, and I got to read books. And then I went through and I added some more details, or I elaborated on those 3 reasons. So again, your goal today in your writing journal is to think of a way to describe your break, come up with 3 supporting reasons, and then elaborate on each of your 3 reasons. Let your teachers know if you have any questions, and have fun!